Good afternoon, students. So today we will see the remaining sum on page number 37. First we have already solved. So here the second assignment given is complete the following table to make the 7 times table. Okay, so we have to make 7 times table, but how? That I will just write down. Please try to understand. Here 3 times table. Okay. Then I will just make it short. Here 3 times table. Then 4 times table. Then addition, I will just write add, and here 7 times table. So in this way we will get the 7 times table. I will just make you understand. So here first 3 times table. How to write that? See here 3, 4. 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. Simple. And here 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 7 ones are 7. Got it? 3 ones are 3, 4 ones are 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 ones are 7. So here you will see the addition, the answer that we get through addition, through that we will get 7 times table. I will just write down, see here, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and then add 6 and 8, it's 14, 7 2s are 14. Now you got it? 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 7 2s are 14. Okay, one more. 3 2s are 3 3s are 9. 4 3s are 12. Okay, and then 9 plus 12 is 21. 7 3s are 21. So in this way we will move on. Okay, see. Here 3 table goes on, here 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Go on doing the addition. 3 plus 4, 6 plus 8, 9 plus 12, and you will get the answer. From that we will get through the 7 times table. We will get all the answers here. 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Okay, now see here. 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. And just do the addition. 12 plus 16, 28, 15 plus 20, 35. So here 7 4s are 28 and 7 5s are 35. Okay. So in this way we will complete the 7 times table. 7 times table. Now here 3 6s are 4 6s are. 3 7s are 4 7s are. 3 8s are 3 9s are 3 10s are. Okay. 4 6s are 4 7s are 4 8s are 4 9s are 4 10s are. The answers what you get, please go on adding them. From that we will get 7 times table. So the remaining you can do as homework. I have solved this till 3 5s are 4 5s are 7 5s are 35. So remaining 7 6s are 7 7s are 7 8s are 7 9s are 7 10s are. You can just achieve the answers. You can get the answers by doing the addition in this way. Okay, just follow these steps and you will get the answer very easily. Now we come on to the page number 38. You will see here different type of multiplication. Now see here. Here I will just explain the first one. 7 3s are is 21. Now we want 7 4s are. How to get that? Here what they have done, 7, I will do it here. 7 into 3 21. They have written in vertical manner. Now, so 7 into 4 is nothing but 21 plus 7, that is 28. Yeah, it's that simple. 7 into 4, 28. See, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are how much? To find out, first write this in a vertical manner. So 7 4s are is 21 plus 7, that is 28, and that is 7 4s are 28. By addition, here by adding 7 plus 21. Okay, normally these students do, they just go on counting on their fingers. So here adding 7 to 21, we get 7 4s are 28. 7 3s are 21, 21 plus 7 is 28, 7 4s are 28. Okay, the next example I will just show you so that it will be very easy for you to understand. 6 5s are 30. 6 6s are how much? So here, okay, then 6, yeah, so 6 into 6 is 30 plus 6 is 36, and 6 into 6 is 36. See, just add 30 plus 6, we get 36. It's that simple as that. See, 6 6s are how much? We want to find the answer. For that, 6 5s are 30, we know the answer. 30 plus 6, we get the answer for 6 6s are 36. Okay, one more example. Yeah, second one. 4 into 8 is 32. So 4 9s are how much? Okay, for that, 4 into 8, 32. So here 4 into 9 is 32 plus 4, that is 36. So 4 into 9 is 36. Just you can write in vertical manner also. Here 4 8s are, we know the answer, 32. What about 4 9s are? For that, 32 plus 4, that is 36, we get 4 9s are 36. Okay, so one more sum is remaining here, that is 8 into 7 is 56. 8 7s are 56. We have to find 8 8s are. So it's nothing but 56 plus 8. Okay, you get the answer 64. I'm telling you the answer 64, and 8 8s are 64. Please solve this sum in your notebook as homework. Okay, now we will take the next assignment. Here you will see the multiplication 4 into 6, 24 has been shown in the table below. Fill in the right numbers in the empty boxes. It's very easy. Now see here what is given in the table. I'm just trying to put down. Now see here. Okay. Yeah, here 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, 4 1s are 4, 5 1s are 5. This goes on, 10 1s are 10. All the figures are multiplied by 1. Now 2. So 1 2s are 2. Okay, 2 2s are 4. Here 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. All the figures are multiplied by 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, and then till 8. Go on multiplying. Here 1 1s are 1 1s are 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. Now 3 3s are, 3 3s are, here 2 2s are 4, here 3 3s are, first of all 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So for this, first thing, from the beginning, okay, I am just telling you, please go through the tables at least 2 to 10. Okay, so these types of sums, they will be very easy for you to solve if you are pit-pat with the tables, thorough with the tables. Okay, so here all the figures will be multiplied by 3. Okay, 6 3s are 18, 7 4s are 7 3s are 21, here 24, 9 3s are 27, and here 30. All the figures are multiplied by 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7. 5 5s are, 6 5s are, 7 5s are. 5 6s are, 6 5 6 are, 7 6 are. So here we have to multiply with these numbers and we get the answer. In short, you are writing the table. Table of 4, table of 6, table of 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so the remaining figures that are homework, that is homework for you. Please solve it. It's very easy. Just you have to write down the table of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, see. Here the figures are given to what? To what which you have to multiply, and then go on writing the figures that you get in the answer. Here table of 2, table of 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here I have solved till 3. Please solve the remaining sum as your homework. Now we move on to page number 39. Here one more example they have given of simple multiplication. There are 6 flowers in each row. So one row, 6 flowers. How many flowers in 5 such rows? This is a simple way I have written. In each row, one row there are 6 flowers. There are 5 rows. How many flowers? So simple multiplication, 30 flowers in 5 rows. For this also, table of 5 and 6 should be thorough. Okay, this is a simple example, simple multiplication. Now if you move on to page number 40, here you will see some of the statement sums with fill in the blanks that we have to solve. Okay, so first I will just try to explain you. Here the picture, if you go through page number 40, there are 6 boxes, and in each box there are 4 balls, cricket balls. Okay, so there are dash in each box. Please fill up the blank. First is, there are balls in each box. First blank. How many dash balls in 6 boxes? Okay, so 2 blanks are there. Balls 6. Then calculation is given. Okay, so here if there are 4 balls in 1 box, then how many balls in 6 boxes? So here 4 6 are 24, and you have to write balls in each box, and here 6 total number of boxes. And here total number of balls. Okay, we have to find out if there are 4 balls in 1 box, so there are 6 boxes. How many balls are there? For that, multiplication is done. 4 into 6, we get the answer 24, and that is total number of balls in 6 boxes. Okay. So the next sum you can do as homework. You can see the picture. 4 baskets are there and 5 apples in each basket. So in all, how many apples do you have? For that simple multiplication, 5 into 4, I'm just explaining you. Please try to solve this as a homework. And the remaining sums we will see in the next video. Thank you.